Hey, this is Nate. Thanks for reaching out. I looked up Fort Worth lawn maintenance, and this is one of the top sites that I found. So I'm just kind of using them as an example for you. But scrolling down through the site, because this is one of their back pages, this is lawnstarters.com/Fort Worth TX Lawn Care. This page should have about 500 to 750 words on it, and they're probably pretty close to that. They may even have a little bit more. With Google, content is king. We recommend about 1,000 to 1,500 words on the home page, about 500 to 750 words on those back service pages. The reason for that is we want to get those keywords and keyword phrases that people are typing into Google organically into the content on your page. It's not the only way to be found for a particular keyword, but it is one of the fastest and easiest ways for Google to recognize those keywords and know that your site is relevant to what people are looking for. So I put them into one of our SEO scan tools. Your title tag and your H1 tag are two of the most important things that Google's going to look at right away. So their title tag here, Fort Worth TX Lawn Care, brake line, lawn mowing from $19, brake line rated best 2021. I would switch this up a little bit. I would just do Fort Worth TX Lawn Care dash your company name. You've got up to 70 characters. So if you have room, you can add an extra keyword in there. One of the other services you offer, Fort Worth, Texas, lawn care dash something else dash company name. Kind of put that in there if you've got the room for it. Your H1 tag, I would just do Fort Worth Lawn Care. I would take off the on-demand part. This is telling Google where you're at and what you do, and is really one of the top ranking factors that they're going to look at. On-demand is not really part of that keyword. They don't need to have it in there. But that's right here on their website. So, if I were these guys, I would put Fort Worth Lawn Care and have that as my H1, and then just on the next line, right, on demand. So it would still say the same thing, but it would change out that H1 to be location, service. And that's really all you need. You want to keep that H1 short and simple. Just to give you some examples, I typed in Fort Worth Lawn Maintenance. This is your title tag on all of these websites. So this is the meta description. You do want to have some keywords and stuff in there, but the title tag is super important. And as you can see, most of these going down through this first page are all going to say something about Fort Worth and lawn care. Lawn care, Fort Worth. Fort Worth, lawn. Lawn care, Fort Worth. So all of these people are what service we offer and where we offer it on almost every one of these on the first page. So you can see how that title tag is super important to get set up right when you get started. So I hope that gives you some good information. If you got any questions, feel free to reach out. I will talk to you later. Thank you for your time.